Hi everybody, and welcome to New York and Slow English. My name is Connie.
Before we begin, be sure to click on the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen.
Tonight I'm getting together with a friend, one of my best friends, like 40 years ago. So I've known her for a very, very long time. Since then, we've moved to different cities, but we've always stayed in touch. So we're getting together tonight along with her two sons, both of whom used to live with me.
Get together, meet socially.
They're going to sleep over tonight.
Sleepover, spend the night at someone else's house.
And I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be really, really fun.
Look forward to, feel happy and excited about something that is going to happen.
Before they show up, I need to get some food. I need to go to the grocery store.
Show up, appear, or make it possible to see something or someone.
I also need to figure out what in the world we're going to eat tonight.
Figure out, understand, and solve a problem.
So I have a few recipes here that I want to try out.
Try out, test something to see what it is like.
First, I need to make a list and write down all of the ingredients that I need to buy.
Write something on a piece of paper so you don't forget it.
I thought it might be fun to make a special dessert, but first I need to look up online exactly what I need to make it.
Look up. To find information by looking at a book or a computer.
So I had a very successful trip to the store, and I can cross off everything on my grocery list except for pine nuts. I couldn't find pine nuts.
Cross off. Draw a line through words on a list because you finished the task.
And now I need to put away all of these groceries.
Put away. Put something in the place where it is normally stored.
Okay, so first thing, I want to wash off this lettuce.
Wash off. Remove dirt or stains by using water.
I cut off the ends of the lettuce.
Cut off to remove part of something with a knife or scissors.
But I'm not going to throw them away because in New York City now we do composting. So I'm going to put them in my compost bucket.
Throw away. Get rid of something by putting it in the garbage.
I've rinsed off all of this lettuce with water.
Rinse off. Wash off dirt by spraying with water.
And now I'm going to wrap it up in this paper towel and put it in the refrigerator so that it stays nice and crisp.
Wrap up. Cover something by putting paper or cloth around it.
Is this an English show or is this a cooking show? I'm not sure. Now I'm going to stir up a special dressing for our salad tonight.
Stir up to move food around in a pan or bowl with a spoon.
And I'm going to make twice as much as the recipe calls for because I want to make sure we don't run out of it.
Run out. To use all of something and not have any left.
Okay, so now I'm going to chop up this dill.
Chop up. Cut into very small pieces.
I'm looking around in the refrigerator because I think there's some sour cream in there that I want to use up.
Use up. Use all of something so nothing is left over.
We're going to have some chicken, which I'm going to cut up into some slices.
Cut up. Cut something into several pieces.
I'm going to leave out this meat so that it warms up a little bit.
Warm up. Make something warmer that is very cold. In this case, bring it to room temperature.
Next, I need to turn on the oven so that it gets really, really hot.
Turn on to make a piece of equipment work by pressing a button or moving a switch.
I have it set for 350 degrees, but I think I'm going to turn it up to 400 and make it a little bit hotter.
Turn up to increase the amount of sound, heat, or light.
Honestly, I've almost forgotten how to cook. My husband and I eat out most of the time now that our kids have moved away.
Eat out. Have a meal in a restaurant instead of at home.
Hopefully my friends will get here soon and then they can clean up the mess I'm making.
Clean up. To wash dishes and make a place tidy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time on New York in Slow English.